read the chat, bro. God. Basically today I'm gonna be making. Hold on, let me just make this. So I'm just gonna be making a League taser thing. To make it work with. I'm gonna make this taser that's gonna be working with League. So every time I die, it would actually shock me, and I didn't know how else to like get footage for this, like for this stuff that I'm doing. And I thought, what better way to do it than to actually do a live stream, especially with like the camera down. I was like, okay, maybe like, it might be chill or something like that. People might actually enjoy that besides gaming, because I always do gaming stuff. But this time around, I just wanted to see like what I can do besides gaming. This engineering, I'm an engineer basically, not completed. I'm still doing my degree, but um, engineering has always been a big passion of mine. Even ever since I was a kid, I used to make like really dumb stuff, right? And through that, I just grew this passion for engineering and the creation of things. And then, guess what? I switched to computer science, which was actually terrible. I'm not gonna lie. It was actually terrible. I wasted like 3 years or something like that, but that doesn't matter. So we're gonna be making this. This is literally just for like VOD stuff that I could use on the video. I'm probably it's gonna look kind of ugly since it's the first time I'm doing this. So yeah, basically I wrote out all the stuff a long time ago. I have no idea what I wrote. Like I cannot remember everything that I did. But basically we got this thing. We're gonna be working with the Arduino. This beautiful thing I bought like 6 million years ago, and we're gonna hook it up. Like this stream would probably literally take like an hour. It's not even that long. I just gotta make sure that I hook it up to the computer correctly, and the code runs, because I already did the code. I had a lot of help in doing it, and yeah. So what we're gonna do right now is kind of go over everything that we got. So we got this thing, the actual taser that's gonna shock the people. It is literally just an amplifier or something like that. I literally don't know the parts I'm working with, but basically positive, negative down here, and then the electricity goes through these two nails that they jump between each other, and then like it causes an arc, right? So I built this a long time ago. I wanted it to like not hurt people, but it ended up like scaring the shit out of my friends when I initially made this. Okay, so I decided that I was going to actually try a different method for conducting electricity, right? Because I want to actually like use it. I want to make it like a challenge between me and my friends, that like, oh, strap this on you, not this, but strap it on you and then play, and don't be scared to play, And with that, I realized when I showed my friends initially for the first time, when I showed them this, they were terrified. It sounded really ugly. I'll probably play like a clip of it if this ever ends up in the actual video, but it sounds really bad. And like the first time I played it, my mom actually got scared. She was like, "Oh, what are you doing here? Blah blah blah. I heard electricity, like a big arc and stuff like that." And I was like, "Yo, don't worry, I got this." It was just like I just I was doing some like crazy shit in my room. So we're gonna try in this stream to fix it. I'm not gonna lie, it might not work, and that's fine. I don't really care if it works or not, but we'll see, because this works. It should work. So if I remember correctly, we're gonna be, let me see, we have this. Let's go through the parts real quick. So I got this relay thing. basically sends a signal. Oh shit. A relay sends out a signal basically from the computer, right? So usually people have like buttons and stuff, and I was gonna use a button at first, but I didn't like that. Um, I would have rather just uh, have it automatically work because I don't want to be right next to my friend, for example, and then I shock them, right? I really didn't want that. So we're gonna be using this relay. It basically sends a signal, or receives a signal for it to do something. That's essentially what it does. So I send a signal from how it should work is that it detects that I died on League, right? And once it detects that I died on League, it sends a signal to this thing right here that's connected to a battery and the amplifier and the taser that I literally just showed, right? And it should complete the circuit and everything should just like shock, right? So I hate constructing this because I don't know how to solder. I actually bought like a soldering kit. It's right here. Like this. Right? I bought this when I was buying all the parts for this project, right? Yeah, I was too scared. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was too scared. Like, I didn't want to mess up the Arduino, or I didn't want to mess up any of this parts, especially this thing, because this took a while to get, home, get to my house. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna really mess with that stuff. So yeah, basically everything is solderless, is what I'm trying to say. Like everything, you're gonna see me like twist the wires and stuff like that, and make sure that everything is fastened, because if it's not gonna work, and I'm gonna look like a dumbass. Okay, so we got these clips right here. Just like literal clips that just clip onto this little thing right here, right? Boom. That's the first thing, right? All this, the taser came from like a video that I watched on YouTube. Like, I didn't make it myself because I didn't even know that this black thing, this amplifier thing, even existed. So I was I looked up online, like, oh, how can I make a taser, or like a taser, right? Like online, and the first thing I found was this. Apparently Amazon doesn't let me order a taser online, which is weird. Actually, let me bring it up. Let me show you guys. Look at this shit. I got you. Oh wait, let me see. I close that. It doesn't let me. I'll use this. If I go to Amazon, right? I'll go to Amazon. Okay, here we go. Let's go to Amazon. Blah blah blah. And you want to get like a taser? I don't think I can show you because it's not like, I'm not logged in. Okay, there we go. Actually, okay, let me show you guys. I found it. I found what I wanted to show you guys. So this is what happens. Let me change TikTok as well so you guys can see. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it literally says, sorry, this item cannot be shipped to your selected address due to local laws or Amazon policy. So it's legal to send the taser, like it's legal now, right? But I guess Amazon just doesn't like sending like tasers to people's like houses or something like that. I didn't even know, because like in Florida it's fine, right? Because I lived in Florida at one point, and Florida, they didn't really care about this kind of stuff, right? They were like, oh yeah, do whatever you want, order it, blah blah blah. So yeah, the big reason as to why I am doing all this building and all this like contraption thing right here is because I literally cannot get a taser from Amazon, and I was too lazy to go walk somewhere and buy it. I didn't really want to do that. And yeah, so now we can start. Basically, we got the battery here, the relay here. All I need now is, let me look. I got just like a big box of stuff here. I need to find it. I think it's this. So I need to check one more time how I built all this the first time. I'll put that there for later. I probably don't need it for a long while. So, let me look. Yeah, and also has like ChatGPT. I'm not gonna lie, like ChatGPT is also like some place I got like all my answers, all my questions and answers from. And I'm not like really ashamed of using it, right? It's just like, you know, it's just there, you know, and if it's there, why not use it? So, damn, this was a lot. Not even, this is like just time consuming, all this stuff. So we need this male to female, which is right here. So we're going to be using male to female cords and stuff, right? Specifically to connect to the relay over here. So we're just going to rip out, I think one for now. Right, so we need, on the Arduino board over here, there is, well, I don't even think you guys can see it, but basically we're going to be connecting it to the power, to receive signal, and to the ground, in order to, like, have this all working normally. And also, by the way, I literally learned this overnight. I have no idea, like, I kind of know what I'm doing, but, you know, I built this already, but like I destroyed it by accident. Oh my god. So I don't even remember where I put this. So we're gonna be plugging in this to, where is it? The 5 volt. Okay, here I can actually show you guys. So it's right here. Nah, it's blurry. No way. That's crazy. No. Alright, well, you guys can't see it. I'll show a picture of it, like, next time. But it's right here. Right. So we're going to connect it to the 5 volt, to the 5 volt pin. There we go. That's literally it. Solderless. So I didn't have to solder, no metal work, nothing like that. Then it was this one. We're going to be connecting it to the ground, which is also literally right next to the 5 volt. So we're going to connect it to the ground, which is right here. Next thing we're going to do is do it one more time, and then we're almost done with the Arduino board. So we're going to do it one more time. We're going to plug it in. Fuck, which one did I plug it into? I think it was 7. I got to look at the code that I wrote. Let me see. What did I write on the code? So, well, now what is this? Okay. It was, okay, COM3 9600. I guess I can show you guys what I'm doing as well. Just put this a little bit down. Damn, you guys on TikTok are not able to see this. Well, the code is there. I don't. You guys can't see it at all though, which kind of sucks. So let me see. It was where does it take the signal from? I completely forgot where I wrote this. I'm going to assume it's 7. Yeah, it's right here. I'm gonna assume it's 7. Because I swear... Shit. Let me see. If I can ask... JDBD. Because I literally spoke with it right before I started this. Now I'm forgetting everything that I did. Conductive... is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. So... Battery really... Okay, that's not... which keyboard into the relay. Give me a second. We're having some problems right now. Yes, common. Okay. Normally open. Relay com. Connect Arduino. Oh yeah, so digital pin on 7. So let's just update on what we're doing right now. So yeah, right here. Damn, you guys cannot see that. Whatever. These two right here are the power and the ground. This is for the signal that we're gonna send out. Okay. So we got the battery. Okay, so now we're on the Arduino on the relay, and it's really hard to like kind of look at this because it's like blocked off, which kind of sucks. But there's like pins here. I don't think you guys can see that, but these right here, these pins are gonna be the things that are gonna be plugged into on the female side of the Arduino things that we just plugged in here. And we're going to battery positive is going to be on the positive side, which is this here. Then ground is here on the negative side, right next to it. Boom. And then the signal gets plugged in here. It just has like a plus, minus, and S for signal. So we could actually test it out right now. Just gotta make sure that it's seen. Okay, we'll plug in. We're gonna plug in the Arduino. See if I did this right. We're just testing now the ability for the relay to even get the signal from our program. Now there's like nothing crazy yet. Shit, I don't even think it knows. I don't even think it knows like to even turn on, because I think it's waiting for like a timer, because that's how I wrote it here. Oh, it did it. Oh shit, it did it. Okay, so damn. So I'm gonna plug it in. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear this, but I'm gonna put it right next to the microphone. Hopefully it's not too loud. I doubt it. You're gonna hear a click. That click is the relay turning on and sending the signal. Right now it's not connected to anything, so it's not gonna send the signal to like anywhere. So we're gonna listen to it. I'm gonna plug it in 3, 2, 1. I fucking missed. Give me a second. 3, 2, 1. It did it. Okay. So, if you guys heard that, you guys heard it. If you guys saw the red light, that means that it worked as well. Okay. We're actually making good progress now. But I have to be careful because it might shock me the second I turn this on with the taser. Okay. That is step 1 and 2, technically. The Arduino works. The relay is sending the signal. Actually, let me put you guys down. I don't think you guys need to be seeing everything. A little closer. Okay. So we know that the relay sends the signal now every time we plug it in, which is good. So now we're going to be plugging in the battery. Now we gotta, basically we gotta worry about the battery and the actual literal taser. Okay. So I'm gonna be honest, I completely forgot how this worked. So let me check. Okay, battery plus. give me a second. I completely forgot how this whole thing worked. Yep. Okay, wait, is this a... This is a 9-volt battery. No wonder the shock is so hard. Okay, I guess now I understand why my friends were kind of scared of using this. Let's see. Switch the low voltage. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay. So, this is the funnest part that I've ever had in my life. We're going to be connecting these two on the positive ends. So the positive the booster, which is this, its plus is going to connect to the battery's red. So, yeah, my bad. So, yeah, the thing that we got to do now is connect the red to the red, which is this. I'm going to flip it over actually to make it easier. And we're just going to do this. This is hard to show, but wait, hold on, let me see if I can. I need to see the camera. Okay. So, boom. These two wires are going to get connected, but I'm not soldering, remember? So we're just going to be tying them. People don't like it. People don't like it like that, but I'm going to be honest. I don't want to mess up a really good multiplier, booster, amplifier thingy. Because I wasted $7 for 2 of them, and I'm going to waste $7 more on the replacement of it, because waiting for it sucked. Like, the problem isn't like buying all the parts. It's just waiting for them, because like, you know what you got to do. I did a lot of research before this, and I'm just like, oh man, let me get this thing in now. Like, I want it to come tomorrow. Okay, so we connected the plus to the plus. Now we're gonna connect the boosters minus to the relay comm, which is, it's hard to see. I figured it out the first time, but it doesn't tell you. It doesn't tell you, so you gotta actually go in and research it. So here, I don't even think you guys can see that. On the relay, right here. Oh my god, you guys can't see it. There's something called on, and something else right over here. On the dots. Oh, thank you for the likes. I appreciate that a lot. Yeah, so there's gonna be three holes. I think you guys see that. So one of them is gonna get, damn, I can't talk. One of them is gonna connect to the black cords over here to make it a lot easier. The black cords here, of each individual one, and that's it. And then basically the whole thing is ready. Cause I made sure to make the stream like more entertaining. Oh, I'm making a League of Legends like taser thing, right? So basically it detects when I die on League. And once it detects that I died, it sends a signal to this taser that's right here to shock me. And yeah, I just wanted to show it on stream, to see, like, to get VODs basically for it, because I want to make a video on this. But like, I literally have no footage. Like, I recorded it so wrong, like everything was messed up. So I'm starting from the beginning again, essentially. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So we're gonna see if everything plugs in fine, or if it's gonna give me a hard time. Hopefully it doesn't give me a hard time, because like, we're literally at home stretch. We're almost done with this. The whole showcase shouldn't take more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So unless I have problems. So the relay NO, which is here, I can't show you guys. It doesn't tell you either way. Hold on, let me plug this in real quick. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna plug that in. So it's NO is plugged in to the black side of this. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I don't like it. I see why people like soldering, because you have to like tie this in, plug it in correctly, because if even one little like push out, a little bit of force outward from the relay just completely breaks everything, and I have to replug it back in. Okay, so now we got the black right here, the black cord to connect to the relay. Now the most important thing as well is this same black cord on the battery is going to be connected to hold on, it's going to be connected to back into the Arduino. Damn, give me a second, guys. Give me 1 second. Because it has to plug in nice. Yeah, battery black negative. And the relay in is the Arduino's pin 7, which is over here. Now we're going to do... Wait, hold on. I can't read this. Give me a second. Plus, minus, NO is right there. Relay in, which is this signal, is that. Relay in is pin Arduino 7. Relay VCC is that. Arduino 5. I don't have the pads though. I gotta make it myself. Okay, the relay ground should connect to this one. Right here. Oh man, that sucks. This is so embarrassing. Okay, I'm gonna twist it like this. I'm gonna plug it in the ground, which is here. Okay, so it should work. I swear it should work now. It should work. I plugged everything in. I gotta get like a close up on it, but you know the camera setup is not really that good because this is my first time working like with my hands and stuff, right? So it's like the pointing downwards is kind of awkward. The lighting is terrible, but we're gonna see. So let me move this box out of the way. And you know, do not try this at home, obviously. Please, this is very dangerous if you don't use it correctly. So I'm gonna move this. Okay, we're gonna test it if it works. It should work. I don't see anything missing from what we have. And let me move my headphones as well. Hold on. Okay, I have headphones off. I can't hear anything anymore. So we're gonna see. If it works, you should see it. Okay. Nothing nothing happened. Nothing happened. What went wrong? Okay, let's try. I'm gonna try this one. Then after that, I'm gonna be careful with everything. So we're gonna do it again. It's plugged in. You should see the spark here. Okay, that time I didn't do anything. So what is the problem? You know, actually, I'm gonna get these closer. I think that's the problem. It's too close to create an arc, so you guys can clearly see what's going on. All right, again. This is embarrassing. This is actually embarrassing. What? Wait, so what's missing? I see the battery. What's connected there? Nah, my bad, guys. What is going on? Battery positive. Wait, okay, let me put on my headphones again. So what's going on here? This side is correct. I know that for sure. It's this right here with the battery and the connecting out of the relay, and this is where I usually have a problem in. Because I tried to showcase this actually in class. It didn't work. Not sure why. So, one moment. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Yeah, so that NO, it's NC. It's NO. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Ground wire, which is the one in the middle. Okay. NO, the battery clip, which is this one right here. Okay. In is is okay, we're almost done. I swear, I'm not trolling. Okay, it should work now. I gotta be careful. Alright. Taking off the headphones. Alright, 3, 2, 1. What is going on? What? Is it the battery? I might have to switch out the battery. Why is this not... These are plugged in, right? These are plugged in. This is plugged in. Wait. I think it's the battery. I think it's the battery. Damn, this shit is stuck on there. Okay. Nope. Ay, what happened with my shit? Oh my god. If he doesn't see the trigger, normally ground. So why isn't this working? It's coiled here. Should be coiled there. Hold on. Let me wrap this out here. Then I have to actually like focus up on that, because I was more going for the talking with people while I do this. But if I can't even get this to work, then what's the point of the stream? Everything was for nothing. Alright, plugging it in. If not, I have to run the actual League script. Let's see if it works. Why not working? Okay, you know what? We're gonna run this file. Okay, we're actually gonna hop on League. We're gonna try there. Oh shit, I turned it on for no reason. Okay. We're gonna try it on League. It's not working. I don't exactly know what or why it didn't work. I'm scared to, you know, figure out out of nowhere why it didn't work. I don't want to get tased. And like I genuinely don't know what's going on. So that's pin 7. Gets connected to that. Because the max is 5 volts. This is the ground of that. Then there's ground there. Yeah, see? There's a minus here. I swear that we were missing something out. Moment, guys. I don't exactly know what's going on. Yeah, okay. The positive, boost positive, battery negative. So normally on. Yeah, normally on is right here. Normally on. I should take that off. Yeah, normally on. The booster negative. It's in the middle. Unless I spilled water or something. I'm not gonna lie, that could also be a reason why, as to why none of this is working right now. I might have spilled water. It's one of these, and I don't think so. The COM connects to NO. Alright, I don't think this is gonna send a signal anymore. What is going on here? I see this. 7 is here. Okay, I don't have other batteries to do this with. So I'm gonna do this one more time. Oh, I heard it. Wait, I heard it. Is it what? Has it got to be closer for some reason? I heard it. I'm not sure why it's not working though. Okay, test what? 7. Oh, I saw it. Okay. We're on something. Okay. I have no idea how to show you guys that this is working, but it's working. I saw it just now. Okay, let me do Control C on the program. I think you guys can see the program too. Just in case, I'm gonna increase it. Oh, nice. Okay, I like this. I think I'm gonna move this really high. Actually, fuck it. Let me remove this. Because if people want to follow, they can follow. It's fine. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna keep it like this. Program at the top, and then the actual thing at the bottom. And I gotta show the other stream. We're gonna be doing this. Okay. So I'm seeing electricity coming out from the booster. I'm gonna be honest. I have no idea why the fuck it's not running. So I guess what we're gonna do. We're gonna fucking play League, and we're gonna try this shit out. And I'm gonna increase the length of the shock, which I need to find that again because I haven't looked at this code in months. Or should I just make it closer? Like, I literally can't make it any closer than it already is. Because, like, it just... I don't want to rip the tape either, because this is all the tape I got. And this is, like, the only insulating tape I have. Let me see. I don't want to grab it, obviously, while it's working. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. Hopefully you guys see the sparks. Or the... You might see what I'm talking about. Fuck. No, you cannot. So what's going on? I think it's... Maybe the conductivity of something is not working correctly. Because it's working. The sparks are flying, but it's not arcing like I wanted to. Maybe because it needs more time. It probably needs more time. One more time. If not, we're going to see if we can change the time around this. Okay. Yeah, I think it's the time. We are going to look for... SM3... Let's say 5. And we're going to run the Python file. You see here, well, you guys, I don't think you guys can see. Oh, it just ran. I don't know if you guys saw that. It just did its thing. I'm kind of scared. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of unstable. I never, like, I got it to work, and then I stopped. Like, I didn't even, like, foolproof it, nothing like that. We're just gonna enter like a bot game, like literally just to test. I'll go mad cog, whatever. And if this works, I got an upgrade that maybe we could do, maybe not. It actually depends if I could get this to work. I was thinking of, instead of the nails that look really ugly and like really scary for people, because like my friends don't want to play with it for some reason. I don't understand why they think I would hurt them, you know, which is crazy to me. Let's see. 40 minutes, 44 minutes. Isn't that crazy? I've been streaming for 44 minutes on this, and I've been failing for 44 minutes. Okay. Let me put this here in the middle. I can adjust you guys on TikTok so you guys can see more. Alright. The sooner we log in, or the sooner we go inside, the sooner we can start testing in the game of this working. I see the sparks. I genuinely, like, I have actually literally no idea why it's not working. So, like, the circuit stuff that we made is correct. The connection is good. But there's something here that's not working. I don't understand. I see the sparks flying, but Oh my god, where's the teleport? I don't want to walk all the way there. Am I blind? Auto refresh, auto refresh. There we go, teleport. Alright. Alright, does it run?
30 seconds until minion spawns. Executed.
It did not run. Why did it not run? Oh, see? No, it did run. Respect respawn timer added. Detected triggering taser. But it's not. Okay, it detected the image. Because I gotta talk about the image processing as well. Why? What is my port here? I don't really. Oh my god, if I unplug this, you guys are gonna not see my face. Okay, I'm gonna unplug that webcam. Let's see if we can fix it real quick. Okay. Am I good? Uh-oh. I think I crashed it. Uh-oh. Oh no. I crashed my webcam. No, I didn't mean it. Okay, but you guys can see the game, right? At least. It doesn't look like you guys can. Shit. I really fucked up. Wait. Okay, it does. It does. It does. The device does not recognize this filter image, not PNG. Now I gotta find that, but it's not receiving. It's not receiving the. It's not working. It's not working when it's not sending it to. Oh shit! It did something here. Okay. Damn, this is so embarrassing. My bad, guys. One moment. And the camera's still down. Oh shit. Alright. Please tell me I fixed it. Please tell me I can fix the webcam at least. Please, 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 please. Fuck. No. Work, 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 work. Another problem to all the stuff I'm doing now. Isn't that crazy? I'm not too sure how to fix it from here though. Because it's not detecting my... No way. That's actually kind of sad. Okay, well, we'll keep moving on with this. It's just gonna be a black screen for now. I'm not too sure why I decided to unplug it. I shouldn't have. Because now I'm paying for the price. Does the camera work? Who's using it? Nobody's using the webcam though. I'm looking at my... Okay, so if I hide it, and I hide it on TikTok, and then I run OBS again, it should work. Ah, there we go. Nice. Okay. We're back. We're back. Okay. Let's see what we are doing here. So we're gonna try this right here. This is gonna run once, I'm pretty sure. It's because like the way the Arduinos work. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's die real quick. Oh, I just ran. Shouldn't have.
Executed.
Hello, hello, hello. Doesn't it? Okay, so
Executed.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Click. I saw one. See? Okay. And here it looks like it sends a signal.
Executed.
Yeah, see right there. That's odd.
Another blade stuck in my bark.
It is very odd as to why it's not working. I wish there was a way for me to overlap all this stuff. You know, that would make this a lot easier. Do this again. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up.
Executed.
Boom, 10. I should have sent it. I didn't hear the relay turn on.
Match my trunk.
Let me see. What is wrong with this shit? Why is life so hard? Why is life so hard? I did all this just for it not to work. Let's try a different one. Teleport here.
Executed.
To text that. Perfect.
The maelstrom has not ended.
Now why is it not picking it up? It's not receiving it. If the code com3 do I have to log in the schematics of this? It's not getting it. It's just weird. Why wouldn't it? Alright. Run to device manager real quick. Give me a second, guys. Here. Com3, yeah, that's Com3. Speed at which data is transmitted. Okay, so this is correct. It knows that it's plugged in on Com3. That's correct. You know what might be funny? If it's supposed to be flipped. So I hear, wait. Whoa. Be careful with this real quick. No, I messed it up. Is it the nails? probably is the nails. Okay, I'm gonna push it down this time. Oh my god. I'm gonna push it down when we check. We should be. Okay. Because it was working. It literally was about to start sparking. I saw it spark a little bit. I should. Come on. Yeah, I gotta tape it closer together. Whatever. We'll do it. We'll do it closer. Like cardboard. Like a little piece of cardboard actually is what I need. Let me rip this out real quick. Okay. It's closer. Which means maybe a spark. It worked. Okay. Okay. You guys saw. That it fucking worked. Okay. Okay. I don't think this could catch on fire. Especially with the cardboard. Okay. Now I gotta be a little bit more careful with this. I gotta stop saying okay and bro and so and I gotta stop speaking like that. I don't like it. Okay, so fuck, I did it again. So we're gonna use the OG. We're gonna try the OG code that I used for the taser, which just ran, but it wasn't supposed to. We're gonna do it now.
Executed.
That's not okay. So as you can see, which you guys cannot, or it's switching, it's in the process of switching right now. It's collecting the information. It knows what it's supposed to do, but I'm not sure why it's so delayed. See, because look, we did it here. So I said OCR detected 11, valid respawn timer detected 11, respawn timer detected, triggering taser. But it's somewhere in between is not working. Wait. I think I remember what was wrong. I know exactly what was wrong. I have a feeling. When I was doing this initially, I didn't use 7. It wasn't 7. I used 4 or 3 for the pin that gets sent the information. If I'm right, it should send it now. Okay, it did it. We're gonna do 3. We're gonna try 3. If that works. We're so in, and you guys don't even know.
Executed.
Why? What's wrong with this? Why? I treat you so much with love, but you don't fucking work. But this is... We're so cooked. Let me put you guys a little closer. We are so cooked. It detected it. I'm scared because this kind of like pops off out of nowhere. It doesn't even tell you when. Okay. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say about this. Where is the signal of the pin coming from and to? One more time. One more time. One more time. We'll check it one more time. I did 00. Which is that? Because I have the Arduino IDE. Do I need to save it or something? Like the Arduino IDE? I doubt it, but... Oh, to the people that joined in, I want to show you guys, before you guys dip, I want to show you guys this. This works, by the way. This taser that I'm making, it should work right now. Okay, it didn't fucking work. I'm not sure why. It was working a second ago. I promise. I guess because it's farther away. It needs to be really close, and I'm having a hard time keeping it close. Let me rip my cardboard for a second. Because I got nails and stuff here. Okay. Oh my god, this is so hard to put in. Okay. It's closer. It's a lot closer. Okay. Ready? Right here. Right now. Yeah, there we go. It works. I'm not crazy. Okay. I can skip this for now. What the fuck am I reading? One second, guys. We're trying to get this on the Arduino. Maybe it needs this. Okay, now we're gonna restart this. We're gonna plug this in and we're gonna do this. Okay, if I don't see League on the screen. I'm gonna wait a second. If I fix this, it should work. Okay, I'm going to teleport some random place over here. Okay, it should work, hopefully. Right here. Okay, there we go. Oh fuck, I forgot. It's fucking, oh shit. I left it for 8 seconds. Okay. Guys, it fucking works! Let's go! Oh my god. You know how fucking long... You know how embarrassed I was? I tried to show this to... it was like a club or something, right? In my university. And... Because I needed help, right? To get this whole thing working. Right? But when I told them, like, oh yeah, you know, it's a taser, you know, it does taser things with League, and they called me a nerd because I wanted to make it work with League. And then after that, I was like, oh, that's great. Can you help me? Can you help me, like, with this, like with the stuff I'm doing? He's like, they're like, no, it's a liability, and like, come on, bro. Who cares if it's a liability? Help people out. You know? And yeah, that's why it took me a long time to make this. It's something. It's like kind of the biggest engineering thing that I've done. Especially because like I say that I'm an engineer, but it's more like I started engineering. Not like I started the classes and stuff, but it's not like the good, cool classes. You know, right now I'm stuck on like the little easy, like well not easy, but like physics 2 and stuff like that. And yeah, it works fantastically. We're gonna run this again. So that's what the problem was. Yeah, so everyone thought it was a liability. That's cringy, you know, because I thought, you know, everyone's an engineer. They're gonna want to help a brother out, like literally, because they have like cars and stuff. In their like labs, they let me use their labs and stuff, even though I wasn't a part of the club. And I was like, cool, but like, what's the point of getting and using the lab if like I can't, you know, if the whole point of me being there is like because I need help and you can't help me. I die here. On 2. That's kind of long, regardless. We'll do 1. We'll change this to 1. We're gonna do this. Wait. There we go. We're gonna save that. We're gonna run this again. And yeah. So that was that's what seems to be the problem. I guess I changed the Arduino bruh, it did not work that time. I'm guessing it's the length of it, because maybe like the electricity differs enough so that it doesn't arch over, which kind of sucks. Because it turns into like, okay, I'm gonna turn this off actually. I don't wanna, yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm not gonna risk it. Yeah, it just turns into like how far away it is they are from each other, and I wanted to make sure. Yo, what's good, brother? How's it going, man? Let me show you this cool shit I made. Look. Well, oh fuck. Just give me a second. Let me just build this again. This is the taser I was talking about. I don't remember if you remember me saying it. I had that's what the whole stream was about. It was an hour and 14 minutes of me trying to fix this. It was actually embarrassing because like there were many times a while ago that it should have worked but it didn't. All right, so right now it shouldn't go off. Okay, but I'm doing the yeah. So now let's go here. Look at this shit. Ready? That goes off. It's gonna send a signal to this. Oh wait, I forgot to restart the stream or restart the code. My bad. Okay, is it good? Alright. So, we die in League. Right here. Boom. That's the taser.
Another blade stuck in my back.
Can I make this half that? Let me make it half, even halfer. That's the torture. That's the torture chair. Nah, bro. Like, I'm trying to make this even lower. That's too much. I'd say 0.25. This is what I wanted you guys to do. This is what I wanted you guys to test out. By the way, you and Brandon, right? I was hoping you guys could try this out for me. Okay. Yo, I was talking for so long. I was like, I was saying nothing the whole time. Ready? So you die. Okay, well that time it didn't run for some reason. But the electricity goes through, is the whole entire point. You see this, and like, my friends didn't want to do this. They really didn't want to attempt to even get shocked by this, because it looks scary. I admit it's scary, you know. Sometimes it goes, yeah. Sometimes it runs, sometimes it doesn't. You know, it depends on
Your team has destroyed
what
a
happens. And it's on until you respawn, and then here, it should do it now.
executed.
Okay, boom. This is fantastic. I've been waiting for this all day. Okay, so let me. The next evolution is to make it not scary. I don't know if you guys can hear. So, the next evolution from that is to make it non-scary. So how do you make it not scary? Not this, not that. My idea was when I was in my computer science class today, I was thinking about a way. Well, initially I wanted a pad, right? I wanted a pad that all it did was just connect. Like I connected these boosters and stuff, connected exactly like that, but in a pad. So you don't hear it. Only you hear probably like a little ee. That's it. But after that, you get shocked. But you don't hear it. You actually don't get to hear it, right? So I thought about the whole time. Like I tried to see if there was anything that I could make, or anything I could buy that has like those two ends coming out, the positive and negative, so I can connect it like here with the relay, right? But it turns out there was nothing like that in the. There was nothing like that online. Usually, most of them came wrapped in like like one of these, basically like a connecting thing. You weren't able to do it yourself, like solder it to other things, and I don't even know how to solder it. So I could have opened it up if I had actually given it like a fair shot in making this. I could have actually gone like make it with normal pads, but I have to make my own, and that requires me to get something conductive. I'm going to be using aluminum, just an aluminum foil thing. I'm going to cut it up and basically have it set up like this taser right here. And yeah, hopefully like it doesn't like burn down my house or anything like that. We should be fine. So we're going to turn this off. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna unplug this. Right, I'll set that to the side.
Your team has destroyed
Shut the fuck up. I forgot you guys can hear this leak stuff. Let me just do that. So, how would I fix this? How would I make it non-scary to people? So that's actually a really simple answer, and I can show you guys. Wait, that's the wrong one. No, that's the right one. So you make it not scary. I'm gonna get this closer. To make it not scary, I would have to like cut the distance from here, because nobody wants to hear the arc, right? The arc is actually terrible. The arc makes it sound all disgusting and ugly, and it makes it look scary. I'm assuming, from my lack of knowledge in physics, this shouldn't... Shit, hold on. This shouldn't conduct to the point that it's sparking everywhere. Okay? That's what I am pretty sure should not happen. Like, it shouldn't spark ugly like this taser. Like the two nails, actually. It's not even the taser. The taser's not at fault. It's just the 2 nails. Okay. So we're going. I'm actually gonna take a small piece. I'd say like this big. Okay. And Alexi, by the way, if you're still here, you're gonna be fucking using this. Actually, we're gonna make a fucking video with you guys trying to win league with this thing on. Okay, I'm gonna flatten it out a little bit. So, I remember talking about how the 2 nails are connected to basically the thing that gives them power, right? So, what are we gonna do? We're literally gonna take that power and we're gonna put it here. Okay? Which requires me to remove the tape. I don't have
Your team has
I don't
destroyed a
have
turret.
scissors. I don't have scissors. Shit. I don't want to yank it out either. Actually, I should be able to just
Your team has destroyed
untie
an inhibitor.
this. Let me untie this thing real quick. How's the trip, man? Has it been cool? Has it been chill? Okay, so I took... Oh, no, you guys did not see any of that. I took out these 2 cords that were connected to the nails. I took them out, basically. Okay. I took these 2 out, and instead of plugging them here, I could just leave it here, taped in. It's not doing anything, because these are kind of like insulated, so they're going to completely skip over. So, instead of the nails, we're going to do it here. Okay?
Your team has destroyed a turret.
And I need tape for that, which... Let's see if I can find tape. Give me a second, guys. Tape. Tape. Tape.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Okay.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
We're locked in. We're kind of locked in. Insulating tape shouldn't conduct electricity, to my knowledge. No tape, so I'm just gonna try to take
Your team
a
has
piece out.
destroyed an inhibitor.
Bro, I'm gonna F. I'm not F. One game. Alright, so we're gonna be connecting. Oh my god, you guys can't even see it. I'm gonna be connecting these 2 here. Alright, you guys are not gonna be able to see it. It's literally gonna look like this with black tape. Okay. We're gonna do this shit right now. Let's do it. Okay. There. That's it. I should move this away. This is it. This is the actual test. I have to run a league again. I don't know why I stopped. God damn. My bad, guys. Practice tool. Personally, I'm a Pantheon main, so we're gonna hop on Pantheon real quick. All right.
Battle, we are reborn.
I pray, bro. I pray it doesn't spark. If it sparks, nobody's gonna want to use this. That's what I don't want. Okay. Oh my god, is the live stream great, guys? Wow, is the live stream great? I hope the live stream is great. Oh, it's not even plugged in. Please not try this at home. I am a professional. Please. I don't want to be in trouble with anyone for doing this. This is strictly because I'm a dumbass. And we're gonna see. Okay, I gotta remember that the nail is kind of close. Okay. We're gonna die. Right now. Okay. How it interacts with the sheet of this. Okay. No sparks. That's good. Now we're going to check what happens if I put my finger on this. Nothing. I actually did not get anything. What the hell?
How many times must
A little closer. Does it not conduct? Did it? Does it not conduct here? No way, that's so embarrassing. One more time. Just in case. Uh, I will not surrender. Alright, we're doing it with 1 second. Maybe it's not enough to go through the whole thing. We're doing this shit again. Ready? Boom. Boom. Let's do it. I felt nothing. That's a problem. I genuinely thought I could just connect it to this and it could shock the whole thing. Huh, that's disappointing.
show the gods what I can become.
Why? That's good. That's good. That's good. Damn, so... Shit, so I picked like the wrong material to make this conduct through. I don't know. I don't feel it at all. I'm doing 8 seconds. Fuck it. So the guy was... The thing was capping the... No. Okay. How do I fold it? It's probably gonna sound ugly, right? Wait, so the okay, I don't want to say that the taser's safe to use, but because this is maybe yeah, I think low key it does not conduct through this. No way. No, it doesn't conduct. Does that mean? Oh, this is gonna suck. I don't want to try it, but what if I shock myself with it? Like, with the nails like I wanted to in the beginning. Because it seems safe, but I don't want to conduct it. Okay. Give me a second, guys. Oh, there's new people here. Hello. I'm gonna show you guys what it should look like. With it actually working. I guess it was just the fact that the electricity just sounded ugly that I thought it was actually dangerous. But it doesn't seem like that's the case after trying it with a pad. So hopefully it sparks so you guys get to see what's going on over here. What we're trying to do. I'm gonna teleport somewhere. Oh shit, it's pointing to the ground. I just got shocked. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. Okay. It's actually not bad. Nice. Okay, I didn't even, it was so fast I didn't react. I'll do a second. And it was, yeah, we stopped it. Okay. That shocked me, but it wasn't even, it didn't even hurt. It was just like a little bing. Okay. This. Okay, this is what it should look like. I don't know why I didn't turn off. That's what it's supposed to look like. Let's go. Okay. Why it doesn't conduct here, I'm not sure though. I'm not gonna lie. Cause like here with the nails, I actually, you know, I felt the bing. I felt it. But here it didn't. I'm not sure why. And this is like the last part of it. Because then after that I could just, you know, like put it like, for example, here. And then it works. I don't know why it wasn't stopping though. That was kind of scary. I'm not too sure why that was. Why the thing didn't stop. Wait 1 second, guys. There we go. Is it because this is not technically like a kind of good metal to use? I was really hoping this would work. We're gonna keep making it smaller just in case. I guess because it doesn't go anywhere? Maybe? I'm not too sure. Okay. If we put it in between, let's in between these two, in between and here. Do not try this at home, guys. Do not try this at home. I know what I'm doing half the time, so I should be fine. Move this to the side. Oh, it's not closing. Well, actually, this is fine. It's for 1 second right now. I'll do half a second. Okay. We're running this. Huh? Oh. This isn't plugged in. Yo, thank you for the likes. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Alright, let's run it. Let's die real quick. Okay. I obviously don't know properties of conducting stuff. If you guys can. Use this. It needs a way to jump through stuff. And that's when, like, back. But alright, bro. Well, this defeats the purpose of the pad, but we're gonna see what happens with two individual ones. Are side by side together like this. It'll probably, honestly, it'll probably react like it's been doing the whole time with like the jumping from one to another. No, I don't want that. It was too close for its own good. That is not what I wanted. Guys, I don't fucking know what's wrong. I don't know the basics of this. Specifically how it works on a pad. Okay, wait. We can work at this. Well, it wasn't. Well, that I didn't feel anything there. It was, I can't check. It's too fast, but I don't want to put it too long either. Oh well. I fucked it up, guys. Give me a second. That's how nothing happens.
How many times must I die?
Oh. This is actually embarrassing. No say his top is not a key. Okay. One moment, let me check. How's that? Actually, looking at them, if they're only touching. Wait, so if I have this. That's away. Would that complete the circuit? I'm pretty sure it would. But like, the voltage isn't even like high enough to even like burn stuff or anything, and it's on like half a second. So I don't see like a point. Obviously, after this, I'm probably gonna stop checking like that, because like all I needed was like a formula to make a literal like bing, and that's it. Like I don't want high, you know, stuff like that. All right, let's see. Does it complete the circuit? I couldn't tell. It was. I heard it conduct though.
Executed.
Ah, too fast. Oops. Okay, because there is a cooldown on this.
Executed.
Huh?
Stand back up. Never be defeated.
That would be defeated. That would be defeated. Uh-oh. I think it crashed. Oh, my program crashed. Not too sure why.
Your turret has been destroyed. Your inhibitor has been destroyed.
Said thin insulator. I could use it. Use thin. Clear tape. Paper. Paper.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Shit.
Your turret has been destroyed.
I hear all my people just dying. Okay. Actually, low key, I'm not gonna mess this up. I'm gonna get. What is that? Oh. That's big enough. I'm okay with this. TBH, I am okay with this right here. I'll have this one on top. And, oh my god, I don't have tape. Or I don't have scissors. Give me 1 second. I have to go look for tasers. Alright, tasers. I have to go look for oh, thank you for the likes. I have to go look for tape, and I think we'll be fine. Low key, too much work to find scissors. I'm gonna use this. It's literally just a little screw thing from my it's like a little screw set. I'm just gonna be using that. Oh my god, this is like butchery. There we go. So we're gonna have it here. Like this. I'm gonna flip it over. Let me get some those. Hello. 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 Oh. Okay. We're gonna test it now. Okay. So, what did I do? You guys can't see it at all. This is exactly what I did. So, I connected, I don't know if you guys can see. So, you see this paper, right? What I did was I essentially connected the top part with tinfoil like sheet, then separated by this paper with another tinfoil sheet on the bottom, right? So what it should do, it should make it that it does the arc, but not make it sound as bad because it's so close to each other. Is what I think should happen. We're gonna see. If not, if this doesn't work, I'm calling it a day. I'm gonna be honest. We've been at this for almost 2 hours, and if I haven't gotten through it by now, or something's wrong. Hopefully this works though. I really want this to work. Cause you know what that means? A nice calm video coming up. It's gonna be chill as hell. And also I'm not gonna have anything to do for tomorrow, which is what I'm really excited about. Easter. Okay. Fuck, I didn't run it. Oh yeah, because like this crashed or something.
I may have 9 tails, but I have unlimited lives.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
30 seconds until minions spawn.
Okay.
Minions have spawned.
What is this? Why is it doing? Why is it now? Why is it giving me a problem now? Access denied. I'm putting this again. Okay. Weird. Weird. No work. No working. Alright. I think I'm calling it for today. I'm not sure. I'm taking this paper away. Sorry guys, that was a failure to all engineer kind. Just want to say I'm very sorry for what I had done today. I don't think this is going to do anything because I just... Nope. Alright. Not sure why this is... I don't know why this last part is not working. But we got through a lot. We got it to work with League. I'm actually really excited. You guys saw a sneak peek of how it's supposed to work. Sadly, I couldn't get the pad itself to work, which was the thing I was actually worried about, because I was literally, like, I wanted to finish this in like an hour, but I couldn't, and that makes me actually really upset. I thought it was gonna be fine. But anyways, yeah, you know, this is a VOD type of thing. I wasn't really looking, you know, for like chatting or anything like that. I didn't really expect that. But if you're watching the stream, you know, I appreciate it. And yeah, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna try to figure this out tonight. Specifically the pad. If I can get it to work, I'll definitely show it on stream as soon as I can, and a little bit of me playing. I did get shocked a bunch of times here, but not obviously to the point that it hurt. It was just like a little bing, like that. And yeah, thank you for watching.